India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to promote among them all justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief or faith and equality of status and opportunity and to promote among them all fraternity to assure the dignity and the unity and the integration of the nation. When you hear these familiar words, only one thing comes to your mind, that is the Indian Constitution. Hello everyone, this is Riya Kanwal, a first year BJMC student from Lovely Professional University. So today I will be talking about why the Constitution of India is not in the sake of changing times. The constitutional review is highly required. Our constitution, though a very impressive one, has failed in some respects. So today I'll talk about does our constitution really provides equality based on gender or not. So let's do. Current laws in India aim at equality of men and women. Though equality is a fundamental right served in our constitution, but it is far from practice. Different religions have different inheritance laws. According to the Hindu inheritance laws, the property of a woman who dies without a will is handled differently from that of a man. In the absence of the spouse and children, the husband hires inherit the woman's estate. The law only prohibits the marriages of a child, but it does not render them once they actually have sexual intercourse with a girl below the age of 18 is considered as rape. But since child marriages are not illegal, a man can have legally sex with his wife even if she is a minor. Further, marital rape is still not criminalized in India. The term equality in the preamble of Indian Constitution pledges to secure all citizens equality, whether it's civic, political and economic. Fundamental rights in the Part 3 of the Constitution provides civic equality through the following provisions. Equality before the law, Article 14. Prohibition of discrimination based on grounds of caste, religion, sex, etc. Article 15. Equality of opportunity in matters of public employment, Article 16. Abolition of untouchability, Article 17. Abolition of title, Article 18. Political equality is sought to be achieved by Article 325. That declares a person to be eligible for inclusion in electoral rolls based on grounds of race, caste, sex or religion. According to Article 326, election to the Lok Sabha and state assemblies to be based on the adult suffrage. Economic equality is secured through directive principles of state policies through Article 39, which secures to men and women equal rights of livelihood and equal pay for equal work. In opinion of Supreme Court, the equality is the essence to democracy. Therefore, the rule of law as embodied in the Article 40 is the basic feature of Constitution and it cannot be destroyed by amendment. The commencement of our Constitution marked the beginning of independent India. Today, in the 21st century, can we say that the real power to govern this country is vested in its people? But the question that often arises is, does the Constitution in real terms expresses the will of the people, or it has just become a tool in the hands of some hungry politicians? The people of India today are assured of justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. Is the common man today receiving justice? Does the equality really prevail? Liberty being exercised all by today.
Constitution cannot merely be a document. It has to be effective in order to enforce the ideals it aims to achieve. The effectiveness of a constitution depends on various factors. Effectiveness of the constitution depends on the leader of the country. If the constitution is in hands of good leader who thinks about country but not about its own benefits, then constitution is effective enough. But if it's in hand of some hungry politicians, ultimately the citizens of the country has to suffer. So the effectiveness of the constitution depends on the collective resolve of the people.